We are going to study about climate of India, chapter 4. India is a land of climatic contrast. It is a vast country and due to its size and location, there are great regional variations in its temperature and rainfall pattern. Okay. India ra maihan siglesa umdan he inang lo mema aramazaw wangte a umna ina zir wangte hanin mun sang temperature le rainfall pattern te hin ang lo le ne. We have the world's wettest place at Mawsynram in Meghalaya, some of the driest regions in Rajasthan in the northwestern part of the country and Ladakh in the north. Okay. Meghalaya state a Mawsynram hi kovela ruatui dong nember. Kovela ruatui tlak tamber na ani lain northwestern India Rajasthan le north of Ladakh hi ruatui tlak klem na mun. Ani le a there are wide variations in temperature with very hot areas such as Sri Ganganagar in Rajasthan, where temperatures in summer soar to about 50 degrees Celsius, and areas with extreme low temperatures such as Dras in western Ladakh, which is the coldest inhabited place in India and the second coldest inhabited place in the world after Siberia. Temperatures here drop down to about minus 40 degrees Celsius in winters. Ke temperature apohan Indaram hi in thlaule Rajasthan state Sri Ganganagar mona summer line and temperature hi 50 degrees Celsius velani Dras western Ladakh chuan temperature lo hniam vele ema helai mona hian temperature hi winter a phei chuanin minus 40 degrees Celsius a tet la thei hialani. Helai mun hi India ram mun vot ber mishing cheng omna mun vot ber ani baka kovela mishing cheng omna mun vot ber pani na Siberia dotani. Despite the vast climatic variation in India, there is one common factor that plays a major role in our climate. The monsoon winds greatly influence our climate. Okay? Hence, our climate is known as tropical monsoon climate. Hetianga sigle sa temperature le rainfall ruatui kandon dana in anlo rual hian climate thumun climate in ang pakatin min influence ta chu tropical monsoon climate ante. The Tropic of Cancer divides India into almost two equal halves. The northern part has subtropical climate with hot summer and cold winters, whereas the southern part of India experiences tropical climate and remains hot throughout the year. Okay. Chapter number 1 akan zir ho to angin India ram hi Tropic of Cancer in alai taka atan tlang kan ti to kha. Northern part marlam hianin subtropical climate nein samara alumin wintera avot le thunga. Southern part chimlam hian tropical climate nein kum tluanin alum thungani. India also records an unusual high diurnal range of temperature in the Thar Desert, where the day temperatures may shoot to 45 degrees Celsius and the night temperature may drop to 15 degrees Celsius. What is meant by diurnal range of temperature? Diurnal range of temperature means the temperature difference between the minimum night low and the maximum during day high. Okay? Diurnal range of temperature kanti chuan chhun le zan boruak in anglo chhuna lum zana vot kanti angkhani Thar Desert chuan temperature 45 degrees Celsius ani lain zana an temperature chu 15 degrees Celsius chau te ani le ni. Some coastal places such as Kerala in the south and Andaman and Nicobar Island may record very little difference in the diurnal temperatures due to the influence of the sea. In such places, the day and night temperatures remain the same. Okay. Tui pui kam hun chen khat south of Kerala le Andaman and Nicobar Island ate hi chuan chhun le zan temperature in thlauna hi atlem dewa he hi achan chu tui pui an hnai wangani mo chhun le zan temperature kha helai hmuna te hianin ain ang deuh rengani. Now factors that determine the climate of India. The factors that determine the climate of India are number 1, latitude or longitude. Latitude or location, sorry. Number 2, latitude. Number 3, pressure and winds. Number 4, distance from the sea. Number 5, ocean currents. Number 6, physiography or relief. Now, number 1, latitude. What is latitude? We already studied in chapter number 1. Latitude is the angular distance of a place north or south of the equator. Okay? The Tropic of Cancer passes through the middle of the country, dividing it into the region having tropical climate and subtropical climate. Areas above the Tropic of Cancer experience subtropical climate with a distinct winter season. Regions that lie below have tropical climate. Okay? Na muna zirin kan climate experience ka adang lam theni. Tropic of Cancer in ka ma kan soi to angkhan India ram chu alai taka atan tlang kan ti to kha. Tropic of Cancer chung lam northern part chunga omte chuanin subtropical climate an neya samara alum ema winter avot em ani. Tropic of Cancer nuai lam southern part chunga omte chuan tropical climate an experience a samara aluma winter po analutuk lawani helai muna hian. Number 2, altitude. Temperature decreases with increasing height above sea level. Temperature decreases at the rate of 1 degree Celsius for every 165 meter of ascent. Okay? Sea level atanga asan na zirin mo. Tui pui atanga asan tel chuanin temperature ka atanyam ve tel cheni. Omja chu plain area ain mountains sa temperature nyam jok don ti na ni chu. Temperature anyam mei pa ka khanin avot jok don ani. Meter za somruk panga asang dan zela temperature hi 1 degree Celsius in atanyam ve zelani hi laps rate ti enan bwa bok. Pressure and wind. The climate and other weather conditions are influenced by certain factors such as pressure and surface wind, upper air circulation, western cyclonic disturbances, and tropical cyclones. Okay. Hi atlang pui tu in high pressure belt atangin low pressure belt lam hoin atle china. Hian mun chen khata ruwa tu atlen rualin. Desert te chu anro em thongani. Surface wind, pressure. Kantite upper air circulation, strong winds in the upper air circulation kantite troposphere atle chene. Upper air circulation kantite western cyclonic disturbances le tropical cyclones te hian in climate le weather conditions te hi athunun tlat bokane. Now distance from the sea. Places near the sea experience moderate climate as compared to places away from the sea. The coastal region is neither too hot nor too cold, whereas places far from the sea experience extreme climate. The summers are very hot and winters are very cold. Tui pui chang ahla dana zirin, tui pui tui finjet naya omte chuan in moderate climate single san wam tok lumlut tuk lo vot tuk lo kan tiang chikhan experience tang pui china. Tui pui lata omte chuan extreme climate samara lumlut tuk le winter vot tuk. An experience ve thung chini hi achan chu a omzia chu tui pui vo na khanin tui pui na yami omte ka chu tui pui bawra khanin a influence chen ani. Now ocean currents. The climate of the coastal region is also influenced by ocean currents. Warm ocean currents raise the temperature of the places, while cold currents lower the temperature of places. Thus, coastal places may warm or cold depending on the type of ocean currents that wash its shore. Yeah. Coastal region na sigle sa umdan hi ocean currents yan at hunon tlata. Warm ocean currents yan. Temperature ti sangin, cold current yan temperature at inyam chinani. Now relief. Lofty mountains area obstacle to moisture-laden winds. They result in heavy rainfall on the windward side of the mountain, while little or no rain is experienced on the leeward side. Mountains also act as a barrier to cold winds or hot winds. They influence climate in a big way. Kem ram leilung pian mang kha apoi model ani zo tlang sang tak te kha tlang sang tak tak kan tiang che khanin nge ruwa tui pai alo dang chena windward side thithot na lampanga tlang panga om te kha chuanin ruwa tui na satak khan dong chena tlang liam le wat side kan te lama om te kha chuanin ruwa tui kha andong to lo chena ni andong tlem chena ni a chan chu tlang khanin lo dang chena wangin. That's all for today.